Welcome back to AI Weekly News by Cyber Intel Systems. I'm Leo. Today's story is about research, specifically how the technical architecture details really matter for how it plays out. Welcome to AI Weekly News. It's truly democratizing innovation. Startups and individual researchers who were previously constrained by costs and API access now have access to sophisticated architectures, leading to an explosion of applications. They're also getting much better at instruction following, executing multi-step commands involving both visual and textual components, which is a huge step forward for practical applications. Shifting to what the experts in the community have been buzzing about, this week we saw reports from a prominent research consortium highlighting several open-source VLMs achieving new state-of-the-art results on challenging visual common-sense reasoning benchmarks. The Hugging Face ecosystem continues to deliver, with new fine-tuning scripts and high-quality curated multimodal datasets designed to improve instruction following. Sure, here we go. Quick reminder after the bumper. If AI Weekly News by Cyber Intel Systems helps you, subscribe now so you don't miss next week.
AI Weekly News by Cyber Intel Systems. It's incredible to see how quickly the open-source multimodal AI landscape has evolved, Leo. It feels like just yesterday it was a niche academic pursuit, and now it's a major force challenging proprietary giants. Hugging Face, of course, continues to be a central hub for this, fostering rapid iteration and collaborative refinement. While proprietary models still hold some ground in raw scale, open source is quickly catching up with an emphasis on efficiency and deep customization. We also can't forget the vital role of academic and research institutions globally, constantly pushing novel architectures and methodologies, often addressing specific challenges like reducing hallucination and image-to-text generation. The impact of this surge in open-source multimodal AI is profound, wouldn't you say? The democratization of innovation is perhaps the most significant, leveling the playing field for countless developers and researchers. That sounds transformative. Plus, the inherent transparency of open-source models is crucial for identifying biases, understanding limitations, and building more trustworthy and ethical AI systems. That's a significant closing of the performance gap, often surpassing proprietary models in nuanced tasks. Another key area is the focus on multimodal efficiency. We're even seeing early integrations with robotic platforms, with experimental labs reporting successful use of open-source multimodal models, allowing robots to understand complex visual commands and interact verbally. It's a truly exciting future, reinforced by strengthening open standards and increased collaboration within the community. Absolutely. Here we go. Before we jump back in, tap subscribe for AI Weekly News by Cyber Intel Systems so you get every weekly episode.
AI Weekly News by Cyber Intel Systems. Absolutely, Sarah. The market is buzzing. We're seeing accelerated development, diverse investment, and a clear shift in developer preference. When we look at the key players, Meta Platforms continues to be a frontrunner, especially with their Llama family, hinting at impressive multimodal capabilities on the horizon, even if Llama 3 focused on text initially. And then there are the agile, independent developers and startups, fine-tuning existing foundation models for niche applications, proving that innovation isn't just for the big players. Definitely, it prevents the concentration of AI power and fuels an incredible diversity of ideas. This open nature also massively accelerates research and development, as everyone can build on everyone else's work. Transparency is key for fostering trust and enabling better regulatory oversight. Of course, with great power comes great responsibility. The rapid advancement also raises concerns about misuse, like highly realistic deepfakes. Expert commentary. It's nascent, but it points to a future where intelligent agents are powered by accessible open-source AI. And speaking of responsibility, major forums have seen heightened discussions this week around robust ethical guardrails for these powerful models. That will lead to more robust and reliable AI agents. Plus, personalization and adaptability are on the horizon, offering highly tailored experiences in education, healthcare, and creative fields. AI Weekly News by Cyber Intel Systems. Sure, let's dive in. Here's a natural spoken narration. Quick reminder after the bumper. If AI Weekly News by Cyber Intel Systems helps you, subscribe now so you don't miss next week. Now let's jump back into the news.
Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of open source multimodal AI models and how they're driving unprecedented innovation. These models, once considered behind, are now often superior in areas like complex visual reasoning and nuanced textual generation from images. Right. And while not a model developer itself, the Hugging Face ecosystem remains indispensable. It's the central nervous system for sharing, benchmarking, and fine-tuning these models, enabling smaller teams to build upon larger research. This week, we've seen particular advances in enhanced contextual understanding, with new VLMs moving beyond simple object recognition to inferring relationships and actions in complex scenes. Market impact? Absolutely. The community is actively grappling with responsible development guidelines, which is an important part of this whole ecosystem. Yes, new model architectures were released by an academic industry group, showing significantly improved inference speeds without performance degradation, which is critical for real-time applications and edge devices. Looking ahead, the trajectory for open-source multimodal AI is steep and incredibly promising. We can expect even more seamless integration across modalities, beyond just text and images to include audio, video, and 3D data. And the push for smaller, more efficient models will continue, enabling them to run on mobile devices, embedded systems, and even brain-computer interfaces, expanding AI's reach exponentially. AI Weekly News by Cyber Intel Systems. That's what's changing for users and businesses this week. Thank you for listening to AI Weekly News by Cyber Intel Systems. Be sure to check back next time. There's always something new happening in AI. See you then.